So opening up the box on these Auxito 9005 LED high beams. Open that up, take our bulbs out, so we got both of them right there. Each high beam has 3 LED chips on each side, so 6 total for each light. There's supposed to be a 6,000 lume a piece, so it's supposed to be 12,000 for the pair. They're pretty much the stock size, except the back's a little bigger because of the fan to cool them down, but they still have the 90-degree turn, so they'll fit in just like a stock 9005 high beam bulb. Connector's exactly the same, pretty much the same height bulb, just a little bigger for the fan back here. Alright, so to actually change the high beam, we're gonna locate our housing. We have the covers, take the cover off, take them out of the way, reach in there, grab your bulb, turn it counterclockwise, and just wiggle it out. You don't want to actually touch the bulb with your bare hands. And we're just going to unplug this here and plug our new one in and do the reverse process. So before taking my passenger side out, I already had worked on my driver's side, and now the difference I'm noticing is this gap right here between the plug and like the retainer part. I would say that screws it in. And this one, there's the housing for the fan. It doesn't allow the plug to go on all the way and clip in, so I'm just gonna file down the plug just a teeny little bit right here to compensate for that. So there we go. Both LED high beams are installed and put in, and I'm going to try to put a photo because there's no way you're going to be able to see it, but basically the way that the rear of my headlight housings are oriented is there's no way to put that LED in so that way the chipsets are facing 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. The bulbs aren't actually like clockable themselves, so just to end out this video, I have a little time lapse using my GoPro while driving with the stock halogen bulbs versus the new LED high beams. You can't really tell in the footage the difference, but in person it does make a decent difference for the price of them. It was worth it. I've had these for like 2-3 weeks now, and overall I'm impressed. They did what I needed them to do. And then we have just a still picture of the difference of them. But thanks for taking the time to check this video out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.